Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. You can see this soap. I made it with only tallow oil, complete 100% tallow. You can see how well it lathers. Complete tallow. If you are ever told that only tallow cannot fool, it's not true. So you can use this for washing of your dishes, clothes, and it's very mild on the hand. It's not harsh. It lathers well and there is so smooth and very good. So you just follow me as we start and you will see how I got to this step by step explanation. So let's get into the business. Okay, you can see this is butter. You know, the mixture of the oil and the lye will give you this butter. That is the saponification stage. And this is the oil I use. This is tallow oil, completely tallow. Of course, you know tallow is usually solid in room temperature, so I melted it. I melted it to get to this. And then as much as possible, avoid your tallow from smelling, so you can remove the odor from my previous videos, how I remove odor from the tallow oil, because some of them do smell at times. So what you see me mix is the lye solution I've made. Okay, the lye solution I've made, and what makes it so whitish like this is because of the foam booster I used. Okay, because I'm using only tallow and I want my soap to lather, so you can go ahead and put a foam booster. And you can see my recipe there. The recipe I used: the tallow, the caustic soda, the foam booster, sodium silicate to also help strengthen and then make it to shine. Okay, so you can see me mix it, and then from this at this time is the butter. Okay, and you remember we are doing what? Co-process. Is the co-process we are doing. Okay, so you can just use 150 grams of tallow oil. If you want a larger quantity, of course you can just double it. Just to remind us that I run online classes and also physical classes, and if you don't mind, I do live training also. So any of them is you can choose, and then my number is on the screen where you can reach me, DM me for what you need. Okay, and of course I have an ebook where there are so many details, so many recipes, so many things for you to watch. What you see me add is the silicates, the sodium silicate. Okay, you remember in our recipe sodium silicate is there, so I added the sodium silicate. And of course the color will depend on what you want. If you like, you can just follow the color I use, or you can make use of your own color. Okay, each time you put any additive, please try to mix thoroughly so that there won't be separation. Many a times where separation comes is because it's not well mixed. So mix it, be patient in mixing it. That's the number you can reach me with. Okay, just DM me and I will be right there to attend to you. Thanks so much. Please do like it, share it, let it go, keep going. Oh, thank you so much, and give a constructive comment. What you see me drop is the oil, the color. At this time I'm using water soluble color. Okay, and the color I'm dropping is the red color. And at a time like this, don't let it be too much, because as the soap saponify, the color will be getting deeper. So just drop a little at a time. Okay, some do drop the powder, but I made liquid of it before dropping it. Like it please, share it, and do subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. This is a simple recipe on how you can make your soap with 100% tallow. Yes, I mean 100% tallow. Okay, without PKO. You can make your soap without PKO. Oh, from this my production, it's so clear to you now that without PKO you can still succeed in making beautiful, solid, nice soap. Okay, so at a time like this, what you see me add is the perfume, the fragrance, to give it nice color, and of course I use lavender mixed with lemon. It gave so nice odor, fine smell. Don't forget to get my ebook. Okay, just a token. So I'll be using this for my mold, and so we pour it into the mold. That is the end of our production. You can use any mold of your choice. See how it came out, pink color, because I didn't make the soap to be too deep. Okay, nice one. Thank you so much. You can see what the result is. You can see what the result is. You can see the result, trying the results here now. You can see how wonderful it came out. Okay, I want to say a big thank you for staying till now. God bless you. See you in my next video. I'll be coming with other interesting production. Bye. God bless you.